Hi there, I'm Paul Cain, and the purpose of this short video is to explain what you expect to receive when you invest in our full level package. So, what's included? Well, obviously all the benefits included in the entry level package, up to 5 expense or KPI monitoring advice, fixed asset register maintenance, full management reporting every month, debtor monitoring and credit control, as well as completion of your annual accounts ready for your accountants. Now, don't worry if none of this makes sense or you need some more information, and also if you want to find out if this is the right package for you, because you can get in touch and book a free 15-minute consultation without any obligation by calling us on 0203 633 1340. You can email us paul@cainbeer.co.uk, or you can use the calendar link in our website www.cainbeer.com. So don't let your bookkeeping drive you to drink. Come to Cain Beer.